Hi guys, welcome back to Chinese with Xiaolu. Today I'm going to teach you a real Chinese home-cooked dishes: stir-fried tomato and egg, 西红柿炒鸡蛋. Some people might call it 番茄炒蛋, but I call this 西红柿. I call that 鸡蛋，西红柿炒鸡蛋.
Fight.
All the main ingredient is just tomato and egg, and I have a secret weapon to level up the taste. I'm so excited because it's almost lunchtime and I'm hungry. I already have my rice cooked. Let's get started. I have 2 tomatoes and 3 eggs. Oh, I have my pajamas on. It is so soft and I better to change my apron.
8 minutes and 22 seconds later.
Now I more looks like a professional chef. And I have 2 tomatoes here, 3 eggs. Don't go up too many with the numbers, it will affect the taste. And some people will add a little bit of spring onions, but this is not a must-have, and I feel it's more for presentations. The tomato has been washed, let's just cut it. Let's get rid of this part. Cut it to wedges. This is just how I like to cut it, and I think it's the best way to keep the juice of the tomato. This one, same. How many of you guys here started to learn Chinese because you are 100% a foodie? 吃货, 吃货. Is that sounds like music to you guys? That's a tomato. Then crack the egg. Then give it a good whisk. There is one of my series how to tell if a person is raised in China or not. Just to see how he beat egg. If he using chopsticks, this is a sign, you know? We don't use whisk. Highly chance he's raised in China, just like me. Looks good. And I'm going to add some water. Just make it taste more soft. And a bit of salt. Beat again. Looks good. Heat the pot. Add some cooking oils. Spread it out a little bit. Wait until the oil get heated up. That's a saying in my hometown said, 油多不坏菜，油多不坏菜. Means the actual oil will not ruin the dishes. Okay, it's time.
Wait.
12 seconds later.
Just wait to get it solid but still a little bit running. And then take it out. Right. Heat the pot again. Oil again. Tomatoes in. Spread evenly on the top. Sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar as well. Even the sugar can cancel a little bit sour taste. Put the eggs in. And you can add some water so you can mix to the taste. Just wait. You know there's something you probably don't know. If you mix it with the salt and the soda, they will cancel each other, you know? I'm completely joking. Let me have a little bit taste.
好吃.
Oh, good. Wow, this pot is so heavy. Okay. Ta-da! So goes with the rice.
Wow.
超满足，超好吃。If you never try to cook it by your own, promise me, try it today. You will be amazed. I'm 小鹿。糖 That's a secret weapon, but if you don't have this, tomato sauce works as well.